Life is better when everything's protected. Azecam is trusted in thousands of homes each year, and we believe every family deserves the best. Our network of professionals are with you from the start to design best protection outside and in, tailored to your needs. Keep your family and home protected forever with automatic software updates, secure encryption and voice control, and an extensive range of options and services. Helping you get to safety and emergency services get to you. Our system can be monitored day and night, which means trained professionals are there to alert you. Our door and window sensors detect when a burglar comes along. You will be the first to know wherever you are. Once you are in the house, the system will be disarmed automatically. Our system is attentive to the details of your life, even the details that, when unnoticed, could have serious consequences. When you are leaving out, the system knows you are gone, and it will lock your doors, arm your security system, close your garage door, adjust your thermostat, and turn off your lights. Customize protection modes as per your needs. Because not every intruder is a stranger. Worry less and live more when you are away with Azecam.